Hello viewers, Amazon Great Freedom Sale is almost here, and if you are planning to buy a tablet, watch this video before you place any order. This year tablet prices may remain higher than what many people are expecting to come. Amazon will once again offer HDFC Bank credit card discounts which can help you save a few thousand rupees, but don't expect the massive price drops as we saw in previous sales. Let me explain why. The first reason is the ongoing chip supply constraints. Although the situation is improved compared to a few years ago, demand for premium processor is still very high, limiting aggressive discounts on many tablets. The second reason is that AI implementation. New tablets come with AI-powered productivity features, smarter note-taking experience, image editing, and on-device assistance. These features increase development cost and manufacturers are less willing to reduce prices significantly. The third reason is the global economic and supply chain fluctuations. Currency movements, import cost, and international market uncertainty have increased pricing pressure, making deep discounts less common. If you have an HDFC credit card, you can still get additional 10% instant discounts during Amazon Great Freedom Sale. These offers may provide better value than waiting for the base price to fall. If your favorite tablet is available at a reasonable price with HDFC card discount, it's good time to buy. However, if you are waiting for record low prices, you may have to wait until bigger festive sales like Amazon Great Indian Festival or Flipkart's Big Billion Days sale. In my next video, I will cover the best tablet deals in Amazon Great Indian Freedom Sale and tell you which ones are worth buying and which ones you should avoid. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any video whenever I upload any video. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.